Hey everyone, if you want to reverse your money on Capitec application and you are looking out how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just get started. Open up the application for that and sign in into your account if you're not signed in. And once you do so, you will be finding this particular interface on your screen right there. So select the option of transact, the middle one option in the bottom of your screen. So tap on transact. And once you do so, here from the given options, you can basically look out for the option to uh, debit orders. So select the option of debit orders there. And once you do so, you can find the specific debit order that you want to reverse and go ahead and tap on it. And you can look out for the reverse or stop button and follow the prompts in yours me very quick. And if you do so, it will directly reverse the money on your Capitec application. If not this, you can just go over and look out for the Capitec support. So you can go to a browser and then search for Capitec support. So type in Capitec support, hit enter, and if you do, you will be finding a toll-free number directly. You can directly contact them or using the in-app help feature as soon as you notice a mistake as well. And once you contact them, you can just go and have the transaction date, amount, and recipient details ready. You can verify yourself. And if the recipient agrees to return them, the prompt action is crucial. You can just go and reverse the money on your Capitec app. And that's it, everybody. You may follow this process for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.